So many hearts live in darkness.
Today I will show you how to transform the sticker to the cup. As you can see the transparent tape on my right hand.
Well, who could you be?
Doing this way, you can keep the original order or the sticker in the same place when you apply it onto the cup.
Maybe today, and I'll choose to shine. Maybe today, change your mind, change your world. Maybe today.
And hope you guys have learned something today, and don't forget to click subscribe and the bell.
I know that says a lot about me. Well, every living's got a world of